Hey there, Dr. DiFelice here. I'm an orthopedic surgeon at Hospital for Special Surgery in New York City. Over the past 15 years, I've developed a technique called selective arthroscopic ACL primary repair. In the bigger picture, I approach ACL injuries with something I call preservation first approach. It's different, it's new, but we've published a lot of data on it. It's extremely encouraging because the surgery is much smaller, the recovery is faster, the complications are lower, patients are happier. Sometimes it shocks me how few people have actually heard of it. My patients come in all the time and hear me talk about this and say to me, how come everybody doesn't do this? It's not just patients who need to know about ACL repair and the ACL preservation approach, but providers out there don't really know either. It's a new thing, it's innovative, but there's a lot of data and it really does appear that we have an excellent technique here that we can treat a good number of people with. I estimate that of the 300,000 patients who tear their ACL each year in America, that 120,000 of them could probably be repaired and not do the reconstruction. Imagine how many complications, therapy visits, issues that we could avoid if we did a surgery for a third of the patients or more that was a fraction as invasive as the old surgery. We all know that ACL reconstruction surgery is a long and arduous recovery. And with my approach, there's a good percentage of people who can avoid the bigger surgery and still get a stable knee. If you're interested in this topic, check my website, call the office. I lecture all over the world about this topic, and I'd be more than happy to lecture to your group to spread the word more about the new way of approaching ACL injuries.